Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting where it matters, in the Google Photos app. Open it, tap your profile, and confirm you're on the account you want to change. Once you see Backup and Sync, toggle it off. This immediately stops new automatic uploads. Do this first because it prevents more data from leaving your device. It also conserves battery and mobile data. Make sure you wait a second after toggling to let the app register the change before moving on. Once Backup and Sync is off, drill down to Device Folders and Individual Settings. Turn off Backup for any folder you don't want uploaded, like screenshots or downloads. Then go to Upload Settings and choose Wi-Fi only or disable cellular uploads entirely. This prevents background uploads when you're on mobile data. Also check camera upload and any app-specific toggles so other apps don't auto-add to photos. These steps give you fine control over what gets backed up and when. Finish by verifying. Take a quick test photo and watch the app for any upload activity. If nothing happens, you're done. If uploads still occur, clear the photo's cache or force stop and reopen the app to apply changes. As a last resort, go to your Google account permissions and revoke Google Photos access briefly, then re-grant without backup permission. Troubleshooting tip: if uploads persist, check other devices on the same account. Another device may be re-enabling backup and syncing across your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.